guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided, you know what? Well, I didn't even decide it for the video's sake. I decided it for my own personal sanity that I was going to clean my entire apartment. So I've been living here for 2 weeks. If you guys want to check out my last move with me vlog, I will leave that link down below where I actually moved here. I just moved to a different location in LA because I wanted to be in a different place, and I'm just so happy about this apartment. I love it so much. It's just so beautiful. But the only problem right now is the fact that it's just there's just stuff everywhere, because at our last place we had a basement area that was supposed to be for laundry, but we didn't have a washer and dryer, so we just used it for storage basically. So we have so much stuff, all these clothes, some of these are Madeline's, but then all these other ones are mine. And yeah, there's just stuff everywhere and I need to organize. So today is the day, and I'm gonna record it for you guys because I think it will be very satisfying to see the before and after. So I already went through most of my clothes that are in this living room last night because I just went and posted a bunch of stuff on my Poshmark. So if you guys wanna check out my Poshmark and buy some of my clothes so that I can get rid of a bunch of this stuff, then that would be awesome. We're just gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna work on the living room and then the kitchen and then my room, and then that closet. But yeah, let's wish me luck. This is probably gonna be a long video, so grab a snack and a drink and let's get on into it. The heck? Okay, this literally melted in the dishwasher. What the heck is this? Alright, the kitchen is all done. I have this candle burning. It's from Anthropology. This one is called Spiced Cider. It smells so good. It's getting me in the fall spirit. So now I have to tackle the living room. So let's get to work. Work, work, work. Honestly though, satisfied my kitchen. This looks amazing. Okay, so all of these packages need to go out today, so I'm going to put these by the door, but it doesn't matter to take them, and yeah, let's start from there. This printer fits perfectly in here. I'm just so happy and pleased. And there's also a hole back here so I can actually plug it in. So this actually is functional. Oh dang, that would have been, oh, there we go. Yeah, so this is actually functional. I am so pleased. And I'm just so happy this fits because there is no other place for this. Except for I guess I could put it on there, but that's just an eyesore. So this way I can just bada bing, bada boom. And what just happened? Okay, well, I don't know why. Well, that's rude. Just scuffed up this. Anyways, bada bing, bada boom, and it's out of sight, out of mind. So happy. Okay, well, this is not satisfying. Okay, I'm actually gonna attempt to put together this shelving unit because, well, this has been in the back of my car for like the last 2 weeks and it's been making so much noise. Like, just imagine this every time you're driving. So that has been my life for the last 2 weeks, so I'm very excited to not have that happen. And now I'm going to put it together because, so we have one in the closet already, but it's just a 4-tiered shelf and this one is a 5-tiered. So I think that will help a lot better with organizing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this together and we'll get to organizing. Okay, let's do it. I also kind of want to switch my bed around to over there just because like the access to my patio is right here and I kind of wanted it to be like more easily accessible, and right now like this bed is like right in the way, so I don't know, but I think I might just try to do it just because I don't know, I just want to see what it looks like. So we're gonna try to rearrange this room and see what the best arrangement is, so let's do it. Okay, so the only reason that I wanted to move my bed was so that I would have better access to the patio. But the only thing that I don't love is that this is like really close to the bathroom. So I feel like we're losing a lot of space over there. And I don't really want to like put my bed in front of the window. So I think I might put my bed back. This clean my apartment with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little like move with me episode because this is just part of like the moving process. Like just even cleaning everything in general just like takes a long time. Like it's been like a few weeks since I even started the first like original clean with me. So everything just takes time, but we're still looking for a couch. As you guys can see, it is very bare. We did actually find a coffee table. So it's actually in my bedroom because we had like a Halloween party here yesterday. So we like moved that into my bedroom. The next step is to find a couch and get a TV. This mirror is gonna be gone and we're gonna put a TV there. So yeah, we're just slowly, you know, putting stuff together, and this is not like a marathon. We don't have to like get everything done, but I am really excited for it to be done just because then I can feel like super at home and we can actually put stuff up on the walls once we get like our couch and stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited. So if you guys want to keep watching this Move With Me series, then make sure you guys are subscribed because I will definitely do like a whole living room makeover, which I'm really excited about. Also, I'm going to be doing a major closet clean out because my closet is an absolute disaster. Like I'm going to show you guys actually before I go because it is crazy. Like, oh my gosh. It has exploded. So stay tuned for a closet clean out coming in the future. Very excited to decorate this whole place, and I'm excited to bring you guys along as well. So yeah, I hope you guys all have a great day and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later.